class, friends. Hope everyone are fine, stay healthy, safe at home. Once again, I want to remind you about SMS. I hope everyone are following. What is SMS? You can repeat after me. That is, S is for social distance, M is for mask, and S is for soap. So whenever we are interacting with other people, we should maintain the physical distance. We should wear a mask and we should use soap to clean our hands. So in the last session, we have completed till exercise 2.2, fourth bit, right? So today is a continuous class for exercise 2.2. We'll start with the fifth bit and we'll try to complete our next concept. I hope everyone are ready with their textbooks, classwork and pen. So one thing I want to say is, friends, in the last fourth bit, sorry, in the third bit, when we have done multiplication, there a small mistake has happened. Instead of 5100, the answer we got as 4100. Okay, that 300 answer is there, no B bit. This one last 20 into 255, 20 into 255 into 50 into 6. When we have done this solution, we have written as 4100, but actually it should be 5100, then into 90. So there has a small mistake has occurred, right? Please correct. Okay. So now let us move to the fifth bit. Find the product using suitable properties. So here they are asking us to use suitable properties and find the answer. So we can use the properties: closure property, distributive property and commutative property. So see, I have written the first question for you. 205 into 1989. First of all, we'll prove this. We'll find the answer. Solve this by closure property. So what is closure property? Under multiplication, A into B equals to C, right? What is here? Closure property we have A into B is equals to C. Let us write it. Closure property is equals to A into B equals to C. So whenever if you multiply two whole numbers, you get a whole number. So let us multiply. So 205 into 1989. So what answer we get, that we are going to write here. So use your rough column to do 20. So 1989 into 205. So 5 nines are 45. 5 eights are 40 plus 4 is 44. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Into, as we have done with the ones place, let's move to the next place, that is tens place. At 10 place we have the digit 0. Whenever you multiply any number to 0, we get the answer as 0, right? So 0 into 9, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now as we are going with the 100 digit, we'll cross off the first two places and then we'll start. So 2 nines are 18, 1 will be carried 8. 2 eights are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. So 1 carry 7. 2 nines are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. Next, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So now we will add 5, 4. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 1 we will write here and 7. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So 1 carry here, 7 we will write down. So that I will write here. Next, 9 plus 1 is 10. So again 1 carry, 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. So if you put comma, it is 7,745. When we use all the properties, we should get the same answer. So we have done with the closure property. Now let us move to the commutative property. Commutative property. What is commutative property? Where if you change the order of whole numbers, we get the same answer, like A into B is equals to B into A, right? So now here A is 205 into 189. So 205 into 1989 is equals to 1989 into 205. So what answer we got when we have multiplied this two? We got the answer as 4 lakh. 7,745 is equals to, see, B into A. Just before we are in the last session, we have also done, like when you do 3 into 4, 4 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s is also 12. So 1989 into 205 is also 4,07,745. Right? So first series of that only, commutative property A into B equals to B into A, right? So we have done closure property, commutative property. Let us move to the next property, that is distributive property. Let's see we get the same answer or not. Next, third one is distributive property. What is the formula for the distributive property? It is A plus B into C is equals to AB plus A into B. A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. Right? This is what our distributive property. A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. Now we will change this. See, 200. I want 3 digits, right? So I will change this as 200 plus 5 plus into 1989. So 200. So what we will do? We will multiply this. So what is this? A into B plus C means A into B, A into C. So we will multiply 1989 with 200, 1989 with 500. So 200 into 1989 plus, the symbol should be plus, right? Next, 1989 into 5. So let us make this 1989 multiplied with 200. So starting digit is 0 at one place. So 4 digits also you will get 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, cancelling of one's place, moving to the tens place. Here is also 0. Again we will get 4 zeros. That is, whenever you multiply 0 with any number, you will get 0. So crossing of 2 places because we are starting with hundreds place. So 2 nines are 18. 1 carry 8 jump. 2 eights are 16 plus 1, 17. 1, 7. 2 nines are 18 plus 1. 2 nines are 18 plus 1 is 19. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 0, 0, 8, 7, 9, 3. So let us write it here. 3, 9, 7, 8, 0, 0 plus. So you just write down analyzing them. Okay. Next, we should multiply 1 and 8, 9 with 5. With 5. Now 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 4, 44. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. That is 9,945. Let us see and let us add them first. So 3,97,800 plus 9,945. Whenever you add this two now, 0 plus 5, 5. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. So 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 9, 17. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 carry is 7. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we see we got the same answer, that is 4,07,745, which is the first. We have used closure property here, right? So that is so distributive property we have satisfied. So all by using all the 3 properties we got the same answer, that is 4,07,745. I hope it is very clear. We have used 3 properties, that is closure, commutative and distributive property. But same method you can try the next one, that is 1,991 plus into 1,005, right? Let us move with the next one, 6th. I hope you have written, students. Let us move with the 6th question. Now 6th and 7th are the two word problems we have here which we will solve. One I will do and one you will do as your homework. Yes. See what's the question? A milk vendor supplies 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening to a hostel. If the milk costs rupees 30 per liter, how much money he gets per day? So here they are telling a milk vendor is supplying milk morning as well as evening, and the cost of 1 liter of milk is 30 rupees. How much he will get at the per day, how much amount he will get. So firstly we will start. Which one this is? This is 6th one. Write down the complete question of 6th one. Then you start. Quantity of milk supplied in morning. So in morning. So how many liters they have supplied in the morning? He has supplied 56 liters of milk. Right? Again. In the evening also he has supplied. So quantity of milk supplied in the evening. At the evening time he has supplied 46 liters. 46 liters. So first of all we need to find total. How much? What do you say? How much he has supplied in one day first. So let us write what is the cost. Cost of 1 liter milk. Cost of 1 liter milk is 30 rupees. Rupees 30. Now what I have given? We have just written quantity of milk supplied in the morning 56 liters. Quantity of milk supplied in the evening is 46 liters. So we need to find total amount. Total milk has been supplied. So quantity of milk supplied in the morning, quantity of milk supplied in the evening. Total quantity. So total quantity of milk supplied is, to do that first of all we should add 56 plus 46. 56 it is, yes, 44. 56 plus 44. So 6 plus 4 will get you 10. 1 will be carried, 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. It is 100 liters of milk has been supplied. Total, how much? Total quantity is 100 liters. Now we know cost of 1 liter milk. Now what we have to find? What he asked? How much money he gets per day? So how much amount he gets? Amount he gets per day. Amount he gets per day. So to find amount per day he gets, we will multiply 100 into 30. So 100 into 30. 100 liters has been supplied. Cost of 1 liter of milk is 30. So 100 into 30. As we said, if you multiply 0 with any number, you will get 0. So 0, 0, 0. Moving to the next case, 3. 3 zeros are 0, 0, 3 ones are 3. So that is 3000 rupees he gets per day. How much rupees? Rupees 3000. So firstly, quantity of milk supplied in the morning, quantity of milk supplied in the evening, cost of 1 liter of milk. This is what they have given. We have found total quantity. We have added 56 liters and 44 liters. We got total as 100 liters. Cost of 1 liter milk is 30. So we want to find how much amount he gets per day. So 100 into 30 we get was 3000. So per day he gets amount 3000 rupees. So the next one, 7th one. Chandana and Venu purchased 12 notebooks and 10 notebooks respectively. The cost of each notebook is rupees 15. Then how much amount they should pay to the shopkeeper? So here they are saying, I'll just give you the hint. We can do this, right? So Chandana has purchased 12 notebooks and whereas Venu has purchased 10 notebooks. Cost of each book is 15 rupees. So first of all, what you will do, total how many books they have purchased, they have bought, that is 12 plus 10 you add up, whatever the answer will get, that you will multiply with 15. First the same as here, here they gave here 12, supposedly here quantity of milk is 56, here 44. Here they bought first. Chandana bought 12 notebooks. Venu bought 10 notebooks. So you have to find total notebooks. 12 plus 10. So each cost of each book is 15 rupees, and how much they have to pay to the shopkeeper. That is what the answer you get, that you multiply with 15. Okay, that much amount they have to pay to the shopkeeper. Next, last bit, 8. Match the following. So first, 8 bit. See what they have given. 1991 plus 7 is equals to 7 plus 1991. So on the left side they have given numbers, and right side which properties or which identities they have been mentioned. So see, 1991 plus 7 is equals to 7 plus 1991. So it is which property? That is commutative under addition. That is, see, a plus b equals to b plus a, right? A plus b equals to b plus a. So that is, first one is C. So the first one is C. Next, second one. 68 into 50 is equals to 50 into 68. Again this is commutative but under multiplication. So that is, answer is E. A into B is equals to B into A. So what is 1? 1 is additive identity. So the option is, sorry, 1 is multiplicative identity. So the option is B. Next, 4, the 0 is additive identity. And the last one is, see what they have given, 879 into 100 plus 30 is equals to 879 into 100 plus 879 into 30. So 879 is the common number. So what we have common distributive property, where A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. A is the common, BC we will add up. So the last one is D, that is distributive property. So with this we have done with our exercise 2.2. So let us see what are patterns once. I will give you a small hint. So we know what is patterns. Patterns are nothing but arrangement of things. How do we arrange the things? Like particularly if you say two persons in a bench. Like that, if you have 10 benches, how many people can be arranged? What is the way, right? That is what patterns. But here we have about dots. Dots. We shall see here in page number 24. We shall try to arrange numbers in elementary shapes made up of dots. Now we are using numbers, but we represent that numbers as a dots. Now what shapes we should make? The dots would be placed in a grid, nothing but your graph paper with equidistant points along with the two axes. The shapes we would make are a line, rectangle, square and a triangle. Every number should be arranged in any of these shapes. No other irregular shapes are allowed. So any different shapes you are not allowed to place. Patterns, you will make pattern with dots. Either it is like a rectangle or a square or some triangle. We will use making dots. Using numbers, we will take that many dots and we will represent the pattern. So in the next session, once again I will tell you what are patterns and how do we apply patterns, and then we will complete our exercise 2.3. I hope it is very clear. Once again I remind you your homework. So your homework is from 5th bit, first one, not first one, second one, D. 7th problem we are going to do. That's it, only 2, right? So soon we will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.